Hello everyone, welcome to KMIT Solution Services. My name is Raman. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how Python interacts with the SQLite database. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to import SQLite module so that we can do the operation in Python related to SQLite. Second step is that you need to refer to a database. So I'm just putting a connection equals to, and here SQLite dot connect, and you need to give the connection name. So I'll say example one.table. Okay, DB is the extension. So if this database exists, fine. If it does not exist, then it creates that database. Right. Now, whatever the operation you are doing in the Python for SQLite, then you need to use the SQLite connection cursor object. So I'm creating a cursor object, cursor equals to, and connection dot cursor. So what type of operation? Like you want to create a table. So how to create a table? This lecture is not for SQLite. I'm just showing you very simple commands which we use for the SQLite. If you want to write the complex queries or complex statement, then you can perform the similar way. Okay, only the statements will be different. So here I'm going to create a table. So all the operations will be executed with the help of the cursor. So here I'm just writing multi-line statement. That's why I'm using these three quotes, right? So here I'll say create table, okay? Create table, and the table name I will say employee, and I will say if this exists, then create the table. If not exists, then create the table. If not exists, okay? If not exists, then create this table. Okay, so now in this table, I want to create certain fields. So I will put all these fields here. ID integer, okay, name text, and one more salary integer. Okay, so let me bring these triple quotes into same line. So I want to create this table. Okay, now I want to insert the record into this table. So again, you will say cursor dot execute, and I want to insert, right? Insert into, and I'll say employee values, and there are three fields: ID, comma, name, comma, salary, right? So I want to insert into my table, and what values I want to insert. So I'll say put here ID equals to 1, name equals to, you can say Raman, right? Salary 60,000. Okay. Same way, I will take a copy of this and I will insert some more records. Right. So here I will say ID equals to 2. Name is I'll say Kritika. Salary is 70,000. Okay. ID is 3 for Manoj, and salary is 80,000. And this is Shalini, and 4, and salary is 90,000. Okay, so these records I want to insert. To insert this record, what you need to do, you need to say connection dot execute. So now these, connection dot commit. Okay, now these statements will be committed. Okay, so these transactions will be committed. Okay, so now it is in the database. Now next, what I want to do, I want to display these records. Okay, I want to run a select query. So for that, I will take a variable, say rows equals to, and I'll say cursor dot execute, and I'll say here select asterisk from employee. Right now, next thing is that we will put a for loop for row in rows, right? And I want to print the row. Okay, so it will print first record, second record in the form of tuple. Okay, so let us try this. So let me execute this. Okay, so you can see these are the records which are basically executed. It is connected to my database. Then it creates the table. After that, it fetch all the records. I hope this video is informative for you. If you think that it is informative, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed so far. We will try to make our best videos for Python and C, C++, DevOps, and other IT related technology. See you in the next lecture. Bye-bye.